Hello again and welcome to the first lesson concerning our drawing course. So we have to start with the basic materials for drawing. The basic materials for drawing are all these, which they are not basic actually, but there are materials that are necessary to achieve a good drawing and also to improve your skill. The basic is a pencil and of course a sheet of paper. Yeah. So we will start with the pencils. As you can see, the pencils are of different types. Yeah. And they have here some numbers. Yeah. The numbers stands for like this. H is for hard, B is for soft, and F is for fine point. So, and if we consider the numbers are specially designed that the higher the number, the softer the drawing, the pencil is. If you will find a pencil which has this mark HB on it, it means that it's a medium hardness pencil that is suitable for general writing and drawing. Yeah, if you see a pencil with F on it, it means it's a fine point. It's a good for detailed work. Yeah, and if we see a pencil with B, then it is a soft pencil. You will find 2B, 3B, 4B, and so on. The higher the number, the softer it is. Let's see. Let's start with this HB. You will see how it is. Yeah. That's an F. That's a fine point. You see? It's different from fine point. You can draw fine lines. Yeah. What do we have? We have this B. Yeah. B, that means this is a soft pencil. Let's see how it is. This 2B, it means that's, you can see that's very soft because it also breaks. Yeah. So yeah, in principle, this is how it is about the pencils. Then we can talk about the paper, which it's a normal paper for a sketch. You will see here. What do we see? We see that's a A3 format paper, yeah, and it's very important for the paper the density, the grams per square meter. This is a medium density drawing paper. The higher the density, the better the paper is. So you can buy paper in block notes like this, or you can buy paper sheets of paper, different sizes. Yeah, good. Now, if we draw something, we have to have the means to erase. So for this purpose, we can have an eraser. Also, the erasers are of different type and shapes. This is a very soft eraser, which is used in order to erase and also create a lot of details when you use the charcoal. You can see like this. You see, it's very plastic. Yeah. In the old days, these kind of erasers were they used pieces of bread instead of this kind of latex instead of, yeah. Good. Now we have to go into more details, but also you have to have a sharpener. It's a sharpener is very important because if it is a good sharpener like this one, it will keep your waste inside. You see, and it's very sharp and very good because it does not break the point of the pencil. We talk about the sharpener. Then, of course, we have to have a ruler, yeah, for in order to draw straight lines. Then, before we start to discuss about the blenders and other things, I have to show you other means of drawings than pencils, which are graphite. This is a graphite. You can use it to draw on large scales. You can use it point-like. You can use it like this. You can use it in different ways. Also, graphite, you can use this kind of automatic pencil, yeah, which is more convenient, but it does not give you the possibility to mold. So you see, it's a different. Yeah. Of course, we have black, and hold on a second, I have to clean my hands. You have also white. We can use the charcoal also for drawing. Charcoal is for very artistic drawings, and I will show you at the end of this presentation. And this is actually it is of it's the charcoal from vineyard. You see. We can use it in a very artistic way. It will listen to you and give a lot of sensibility to your drawings. I see this is a apple, something. Yeah. Something like this. Okay. So this is a charcoal. In order to, I forgot. We have also another which we will use quite often. It's this charcoal powder, which is a very, very interesting and very good tool in order to cover and to be able to learn about surfaces and shades and light, and that we will talk in the next lessons. It comes in jars like this. It's a powder, yeah? And if you want to use it, you can use it with this. You find this kind of pads in the shop. You can. It's very important in order to create fine surfaces. Yeah, we can play a little bit with this one. See, it gives you the possibility to use it to make darker shapes. But yeah. In order to be able to mold your drawings, you need to blend. We need some tools, blending tools. This is a kind of blending tools. It's made of special material. I think it's a pressed paper, so you can use it to blend on surfaces. You can also use the ear pads to blend the surfaces. Yeah. Okay. A part of this black and white and charcoal and graphite and other classic drawing tools, we have colored pastels. Colored pastels, which are dry pastels, the oil pastels, and soft pastels. This is a dry pastel. Here is soft pastels. Soft pastel. Yes, like this. Actually, this is not a soft pastel. This is an oil pastel. This one is an oil pastel. You see the the difference. It's oily and it spreads differently. Yeah, this is a soft pastel. Okay. In order that all this should stick on the surface, you definitely, and you want to keep your drawings, you definitely need this kind of fixative. You can find it in any shops. And if I can, for example here, spread, if I apply fixative on it, when this will dry, you'll never be able to take it out from the paper. It will remain like this. It will never shade and it will never disappear. Yeah. So this is in principle the basic tools. Oh, not to forget, these dry pastels, they come in the form of what we call color pencils. The color pencils, in fact, are dry pastel in the wood shield, yeah? So this is, what we call color pencils, but they are dry pastels. And of course, you know very well, they come in these boxes. Yeah. You cannot, now it's not dry yet, but when it will dry, the drawing will remain unspoiled. Yes. Now I will show you some examples of drawings that I made some years ago. And yeah, hold on a second. So this is an example of a pastel drawing. It's a landscape. It's a hunting trip with hunters near the fire. So this is how it looks. Yeah. Then also dry and oil soft pastels. Looks like this. This is a charcoal croquis or sketch. You see, it's fixed. It does not. It remains the same. That's a drawing with not with charcoal but with graphite, and mixed with graphite and charcoal. And that's also a drawing made with graphite. Well, I hope my presentation, you enjoyed my presentation. Then let's meet for the next lesson, in which we will detail the secrets of drawing. Thank you.